write an equation in slope-intercept form, which means you'll be given an equation, and your target is going to be some number times x plus b. But really just y has to be by itself. And things over here would be simplified. So rewriting this as though it were a bookwork problem, y minus 2 is 1/2 times the quantity x plus 5. And I guess since the previous practice could maybe lend itself to it, we could really double every single separated part of this, which would be nice because then you wouldn't have to deal with fractions. But only do it that way and check to make sure you match what I do if you feel confident enough to do it. So instead I'll do what I think most people would do, which is just rewrite the left side and then distribute that fraction. We'll add 2 to both sides, which means I'll have y as 1/2 x plus 9/2. And that means you'd be done. Now notice that at this point I didn't even talk about how that became 9/2. So if you have a teacher that doesn't let you use a calculator on a certain quiz or a test, and for good reason that might be happening. So here's 5/2 plus 2. I'm doing this off to the side because I don't want this to show up central to my work and interfere with the organization of my work. So I get a common denominator, and then once I have a common denominator, I can now see that this 9/2 is what I would have ended up with over there. And looking at this, we're in slope-intercept form, so we're good to go. But again, just to kind of summarize, slope-intercept form has y by itself, which we ended up with. To make that happen, it was nice to clear out our parentheses, and in doing so, work towards simplifying this right side, and to where we're left with something times x plus another quantity on the outside. So here we have another problem. We'll make this OYO. I'm going to put the answer up in just a moment. I'll talk through what happened here. Got rid of the parentheses because our slope-intercept form doesn't have those at all. When I distributed the -3 to the -4, we got 12, which should have been written as positive. And then to get y by itself over here, I got rid of the 6. And I have something with a slope, y-intercept on the outside, and y is by itself, so we know we're good there.